Chanel eyeliner unboxing. So welcome back to watching ACIERO. Today you're back again, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing. I went shopping. For most of you missed out on my video going shopping after lockdown. Click over here, you'll find that video. And I went shopping to improve on my makeup look. So I went to the Chanel counter and I picked up some few products that I was told were on limited edition. So I hope that these products will be something maybe you also love. So I'm here to share them with you. I got two products from Chanel, and both of them are for my eyes. So most of you who don't know what these products are, I got the Bleu Cobalt. So Bleu Cobalt liquid eyeliner, and it's called Precision Long Wear. Okay, I always love Chanel eyeliners, especially this color. I don't know why, but this eyeliner was expensive. The funny thing with this eyeliner is, if most of you understand how eyeliners work, because I thought it's really that this is the quantity, but apparently this liquid eyeliner is just this. So if you open it like this, the only liquid you have remaining is just this small. Most of you might look at it and think it's too big, but it's this small. I have tried on this eyeliner, and this is what you see on my eyes. So this is how it looks like on my eyes. So the second item I bought from Chanel, you're going to love, volume mascara, and that's called the Blue Night. The Blue Night mascara is one of the mascaras which I've been admiring because I love blue. So I was like, okay, you have blue eyeliner, and why don't you try out the mascara? Because I never wear mascara because my eyes are sensitive. Most of the time people say to me, if you buy something which is not long lasting, you don't get those side effects. So when I saw this mascara, it wasn't long lasting and it was in a blue. I would have actually preferred black, but I have some black mascaras which I never use, so I was like, why don't you just get it? And apparently it was 40% off, so I managed to get it on a discount. I didn't have to pay a lot of money. So it's blue. I haven't worn it, so I don't know how it will look like. So one day I'm going to wear it for you, maybe show you a photo of how it looks like. Those were these products I managed to get from Chanel, and this is my blue. I love blue. I don't know why. Blue tends to go well on me. It tends to, be, it's not a color that everyone would, run buying, but to me, when I wear it, it's like it complements my skin tone and everything. So you can see also my scarf. Today I made up this look because I wanted to wear most of my scarves I designed this scarf. If you want to get it, go to my website. It's linked over here, and you can shop the collection of products I designed. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and love you loads, and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and go. Bye.